Good afternoon and welcome back to the Motorhome Retrofits YouTube channel. So the last couple of days Martin's been working on this 2019 Benimar Mileo behind me, and we've done so much work to it that I've had to write a little note, otherwise I'm going to forget all the bits and pieces. I'm going to try my hardest not to look at it. So starting with the outside of the vehicle, Martin has fitted our clear dynamic indicators. So I'm just going to reach in and turn those on. We've done loads of videos on these, but this is the clear model. There's also the smoked. The smoked wouldn't look very good on this particular vehicle because it's mostly white, so the clear complements these wing mirrors instead of the old-fashioned bulb or orange lamp just flashing in there. So it makes it a little bit look a bit more modern, plus you've got the double dynamic sweep, which is nice. Then we have also, staying on this side of the vehicle, we have also fitted our FM and DAB body mounted active antenna. Now, previous video was up on the roof of a sliding door vehicle, but this is a typical motorhome that we would always try and fit it to the wing. And the reason why we've done that is because this is all fiberglass. And for this antenna to work properly, it needs to be connected to the vehicle chassis to create that ground plane for this to work effectively. It's an adjustable whip, like so. So you can adjust it like, and to be honest, it's a great bit of kit. It's really, really proven to be successful on these, especially the motorhomes. Now, not forgetting the very popular side steps. These are our motorhome front side steps. They're not electronic or automatic or electric, they're just manual. And what they do is purely allow for shorter people to be able to get in and out of the vehicle easier because of the fact that you're not having to put your leg up so high over onto that front step. And of course, none of these motorhomes have a grab bar for you to pull up. So I can simply get in and out of the vehicle like so, and they are bolted underneath the chassis with a powder coated bracket and hugely popular. So have a check out on our website for that. Also continuing on the outside of the vehicle, we've got our super duper external daytime running lights. So basically they are Foglight style daytime running lights. This particular customer has also got us to color code the external plastic bezel so that it's in keeping with the rest of the vehicle. It comes as standard in black, and it still looks pretty good, but because the rest of this vehicle is white apart from the bumper, that just makes it more in keeping with it. Now, this is a 4 LED style cob setup and super bright. So when you put the ignition on during the day, those 4 LEDs on both sides light up, and then when you put your side lights on, they will then reduce their brightness, and they will stay reduced whether you're on side lights or dipped beam. As soon as you turn your lights off, they then go back to maximum brightness. And again, on our website, fantastic bit of kit, and very, very popular. That's it on the outside of the vehicle. Now if you join me inside, we'll show you about the bits and pieces that Martin's been doing on the inside. Right, so sat inside the cab now. Now, we haven't fitted this. Very unusual, I hear you say, especially because the amount of Alpines that we supply and fit on a regular basis. But this customer has come all the way down from Scotland and already had this fitted, but then had seen our YouTube channel and all the awesome videos that we do and said, guys, I want you to do the rest of the work because I know it's going to get done properly. More importantly as well, he's decided to drive all this way. That's a fair few hours in a motorhome, just because, again, he'd had previous problems and was unsure of where to go, who to see and who to go to. But now obviously we've delivered, which is what we're all about. Now, inside here, we have fitted our Mark II version of the dash gadget. Now, the dash gadget is connected to GPS. So as soon as we're out of our building here, you're going to get digital speed on the left-hand side. You're going to get your compass. We're going to get feet above sea level. We're going to get our latitude and longitude coordinates. You've got pitch and roll, time, date, day of the week, temperature in Fahrenheit, your barometer, your voltage of your battery and temperature gauge. So there's loads going on with this bit of kit, and also if you wanted it, there's some funky little LEDs along the bottom there if you're into that, and why not, because it does look pretty cool. Now also, if Sammy looks down here, this customer's also gone for our rubber dash mats. Now these rubber dash mats come in black or grey, and it just means that it stops things rolling around in there. So please do get in touch with us. They are on the website. You can buy them and fit them yourself. You don't need professional installation. They just pop in. But on this particular vehicle, it's only the left-hand side, the bigger of the two, that's been fitted because he's got air ride on the right. Now, while Sammy's in that same area, if he pans up onto the dashboard, we didn't fit those speakers. They are a set of Alpine radial speakers. They were already installed, but this customer said he wanted our triple audio sound system or triple audio package, which includes the Eaton German door speakers in the doors and also the tweeters in the A-pillars, which is the round grille to the left of that speaker on the actual plastic there. And we've also then applied some sound deadening behind the door cards, and not that you can see it, but down underneath this drinks holder here, if we've got enough light, underneath this drinks holder, which is a factory feature, is now the Alpine subwoofer. So that's an 8-inch Alpine subwoofer connected to an inline amplifier. And what we have done for this customer is we've done a rejig with the wiring so that he's then got the best of both worlds. We have reconfigured the wiring so that the Eaton door speakers and the sub are on the same circuit, and then the radial speakers from Alpine are on a different circuit. So if he wants to fade them out, he can do, because he wasn't really happy about having them removed and then holes in the dashboard to be filled as well. So an awful lot going on in this particular vehicle, 2019 Benimar, and it's been into us for a set of front passenger and driver side steps. We've also gone for FM and DAB amplified body mounted antenna, clear side indicators that are dynamic, Foglight style DRLs with painted collars, our triple audio sound system, dash mats and the multifunction dash display. So any of these products, if you're interested in any of them, some of them or all of them, get in touch with us. And of course we do fit the Alpines. Because we're an Alpine Excellence dealer, you get 2 years warranty for peace of mind. Get in touch with us, website links in the bio. Please tell your friends and family about what we do. We're really working hard to build up our subscriber base, and also follow us on social media as well. And thank you for watching.